Number 4. Product review for Full Circle in a Nutshell Walnut Scrubber Sponges. The Full Circle in a Nutshell Walnut Scrubber. Sponges are an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. Designed and manufactured by Full Circle, a brand known for its commitment to sustainability and quality, these sponges offer a reliable and eco-friendly solution for your cleaning needs. One of the standout features of these walnut scrubber sponges is their material. Made from cellulose, they are not only durable but also biodegradable, making them an environmentally responsible choice. The natural brown color adds a touch of elegance to the sponges, while the non-scratch surface recommendation ensures that you can safely use them on various surfaces, including porcelain, wood, glass, plastic, and stone. The Full Circle in a Nutshell Walnut Scrubber. Sponges come in a set of 2, with each sponge measuring 4.43 inches in length, 2.75 inches in width, and 0.75 inches in thickness. With an item weight